onions and the garlic?
You don't
Add some to that.
And you're slicing mushrooms?
Yep.
Look at these, Julianne's.
Yeah,
You proud of that?
I am.
You should be.
Thank you.
That does look really good. What's going on over here? What's the question? Yeah, I don't know if I'll answer it. It's a midterm. Yes.
Do we put the boiled eggs in the big pot, or do we cook one in the separate one?
So anything that was optional is a topping.
So
You can rearrange it however you'd like. Got some stuff prepared for their toppings. They did not cut their mushrooms yet. Kitchen 2, period 1's midterm, and we just said that it was the best midterm that they've ever had. I mean, they've never made. This is gorgeous.
Thank you.
All right, well, bon appetit.